Welcome to this quick instructional video on Flow's interactive mode. By utilizing interactive mode, you can program quick, trivial transfers, and this will allow you to test things out before you take them into a big workflow, for example. To get started, I'll connect my machine that's connected to my network over Ethernet, and this is just so that I can run the transfer when I've built it. Next, I'll head over to the interactive mode tab. On the left side of the screen, you can see 3 zones, and they correspond with the zones that you'd find on your i.prep machine. So, in the leftmost zone, I'll assign my 200 microliter tips. In zone 2, I'll use a 2 milliliter Eppendorf tube rack. And in zone 3, I'll use a 2.2 milliliter deep well plate. Just to note, the tips haven't gone anywhere. We've just hidden them because they don't seem to be too useful when you're in the middle of building a transfer. If you want to see them again, or if you want to replace them, just click the Show Tips plate toggle. By default, I'm set to aspirate, so I can go ahead and click my source well. I can then choose how much liquid I want to aspirate by either dragging on the tube or typing in the number that I want. Same with the depth. I can type in the number or I can press the plus and minus keys, and that'll visualize where the tip will be in the tube. I also have my advanced parameters on the right, which work as they do in a normal transfer. Next, I'll move on to dispense by clicking on the dispense tab, choosing the wells that I want to dispense into, and then choosing a volume that I want to dispense. We also have the liquid classes available here, and if you want to learn more about that, there's a separate liquid classes guide. All of that looks good, so now I can just press the run button, and the transfer will run on the i.prep. And that's about all there is to it, to the interactive mode. If you want to try something else, or you want to start over, there's a reset button, and that'll just reset everything back to the default. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, and if you have any questions, check out the article on interactive mode on our resources page on the i.prep website, or feel free to contact one of us at Vion Scientific.